We interrupted your computer because of a Splaat error. Splaat was grounded by JKCL. There will be 5 chances for you not to turn off your computer. But, if you turn off your computer, you will lose a chance. If you waste all 5 of your chances, you will be jump scared and grounded. And remember, he will be watching you.
Did you just turn off your computer? Alright. You only have 4 chances left. Please don't do it again. Really? You turned it off again? Fine, I will give you 3 chances to listen to me. But if you don't, you're dead. Why do you always turn off your computer? That's it. Your chances are now 2. If you turn off again, then I will turn in the Klasky Csupo nightmares, aka known as Splaat.exe or Splaat.exe, whatever you call it. So do not act like if you don't care, if you had my last warning. Okay?
You blew it. And that's right. I know Klasky Csupo nightmares because you tried to computer 4 times. This is your last chance. Because if you turn off one more time, you will be jump scared and grounded. So you